Hello, can you please inform your friends to join the class?
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
I will start my class. In previous class, we will discuss about form handling. For today's class, we will discuss about database integration using JSP and JDBC. In this in this section, we will see how to connect the JSP with the MySQL database and how to insert the data into database and how to retrieve the data from the database. Firstly, we should know the what is database integration. Database integration means connecting our JSP application with the database using JDBC. JDBC means Java Database Connectivity. Using JDBC, Java application can communicate with MySQL database. Here, JDBC is an API used to connect the Java application with the database. Okay. First of all, we will go to the MySQL and here we can create the one database. This is the database name, and then we will run it. Here our database will be created. Okay, I will show you. Here our database. In that we can, then we will go to the Eclipse and create the project. Click on next and select the SRC and next and generate the web XML and finish. This is how we will create the project. Then after we will create the JSP file in web app. Right click on web app and new and JSP file. Here I will give the index.jsp and finish. In this index space, I will creating the one register link. Now I will creating the registration.jsp file. Here we can create the one form, registration form. First of all, give the form tag. In that form, we will give the action and method. After that, we will give the method. We can give the post because of security purpose, secure purpose. And here you can give the one label, name, and give the input field. Type is equal to text. Here type is equal to text, then it will shows the input field, text field, and give the name, and give the required and placeholder also. Then give placeholder equal enter event name. After give the break and give the another label like email. Input type equals to email equals to enter the email address and require. Here we are giving the request because of input field do not have empty. That's why I'm giving the required and give the another label and here give the mobile number and give the input field. Here type we can use the number or tele for the mobile number and name is equal to mobile. Sorry, first of all, I will share my screen. And I will show the code also. Yeah, you can see the registration code here. Here, this is the index code. First of all, in the index page, we will give the one anchor tag register and we will create the registration page and we are giving the form details for the student and mobile number and give the required. Okay, then give the city address. Give the input field and type is text. The name equals to address. Then placeholder equals to enter the address and give the required. After that, we will give the submit button also and the type is submit and value is registered. Here we can view the break here also available there. Okay. Here in the front end, we are collecting the user details using the form. After clicking the submit button, it data goes to the registration details. Here we can create the registration details page also. In that we can connect the JSP into JDBC purpose. We can store the data in that database. First of all, we can view the scripted tags. We can write the Java code here. String equals to get parameter, and we will view the form name, and we'll give the name and view the question. Here request.get parameter is used to retrieve the front end form data. Okay. We can use the same like email, mobile number, and address. So we can use the email and get parameters. And view the email. We can retrieve the data from the front end. Here we have email, right? We can paste here email. Okay. Then after mobile number equals to request get parameters, and we will give the mobile question mark. After we can take the address. The address equals to request get parameter and give the address and the form data. This is insert data into database. Okay. After that, here we can import Java classes. Okay. Page import equals to java SQL dot start. Here we are importing the JDBC classes. Okay. After that, we will load the MySQL JDBC driver. Okay. Here class dot form name. In that we can give the form dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver and give the after we will connect the JSP application with MySQL database. Okay. Then we can create the connection form equals to driver dot driver manager dot get connection. In that we can give the query like JDBC MySQL then localhost. Our localhost port is 3306. Then slash JSP DB. Here we can give the database name. And here we can give the root, username and password. Okay, root. Here nothing but we can use here this is load MySQL JDBC driver. Okay, then after we will connect the JSP application with MySQL database. After that we can write the prepare statement. PS equals to, here we are connecting, right? Now we can take the object of connect dot prepare statement. In that we can write the query of to inserting the data into database. Here you can write the query like insert into table name. Firstly, before that, go to the yoke and here create the table. Create table name student and view the id begin auto increment. It was directly automatically increasing the number count and primary key. Okay, then name is varchar and view the 250. Then email 250. Then mobile number like mobile varchar 10. Then address varchar 250. Okay, then you can create this table first. You will see carrier successive and no address and no warnings. Here we can check the table is created or not. See, here our table is created. Okay, in the table we can store that user details like student details. Now go to the code and here give the query insert into student and insert into student table. Here we can give the table name. After we can give the names like name, email, mobile and address. And you can view the values here. View the placeholders. How many placeholders? 4. Okay. And view the semicolon. After we will set that values. String name. Here give the 1 comma. Here we are taking the name. And here we will get, if we are receiving the name from front end, right? We can view the variable here. You will take the variable name here. Okay. After here to email. Like that only you will take the values to set the placeholders. Here we can use the placeholder because of to execute this query safely. After that, we will get int id equals to ps dot execute update. Execute update is used for insert and update and delete operations. Okay. Then if I greater than 0, we will print the output like print dot println dot and give the message like data inserted successfully. Otherwise, and it will redirect to registration page again. So we can, here we are writing the JSP code, right? Java code, right? We can use the JSP, then we will use the ciplet tags will be close. Then after open, and here we can include the JSP. JSP include page equals to, we will view the registration page. It will redirect to the registration page if data is inserted. Otherwise, we will view the message like data not inserted into and give the command. And here again we will close the super tags. After we will open, and in that we will redirect to the same page like register only. Okay. Before that, we can take the jar file here. I will send you in group. Okay. You can take the jar file. You can paste in lib. నితిన్ అర్థమవుతుందా? Can you please respond? Give the thumbs up also if you understand. Okay, thank you. Okay, we will run the project. Okay, here we can see the registration. Click on register. We will get the form and give the details like and give the mobile number. Give the address and register. Here we will get the data inside successfully. Got it? And we will see the SQL also in database. We are getting data or not. See here, we are getting the data. This is the insert data into database. Now we will retrieve the data. Okay. ఇది అర్థమైందా? In index page, we can create the another link like new view registration details. View student details. Okay. In that we can view the href and view students dot js. You can create this file and finish. You can view the name called view student details. Here view the table tag. In that view the table row tag. table header tag also. Here we can give the th id, name, email, address. We can give the here we can open the supply tags to write the Java code. Start. Here also we are loading the JDBC to get the data from the database. Here we are using the connecting JSP application with MySQL database. So first of all, you can include the JDBC classes here. Import here. After that, we can here we can write the prepare statement. and give the query here. Here query we will write. We will get the data from the student table, right? So give the query like select star from student. After we will write the result set rs is equal to into set execute query. After that we will write the while loop. Let's start next. We can skip it. Here Java code is ended, and now we will write the T body. In that we will get the data. Okay, time is over. I will continue class tomorrow. Okay, thank you.